All right, we're talking about
Yeah.
sweater weather.
No,
not feeling
so
like
much
fall
for this
at all.
first weekend of fall. Yeah, it's going to be hot. It's going to be humid as we head through this first weekend of fall. Fall officially began early this morning, and right on cue, it's going to feel like summer here in North Texas. Did you expect anything different after the summer that we just had? Heat advisory in effect for almost all of North Texas through tomorrow. So this is for today and tomorrow. Afternoon heat index values 105 to 110. Actual high 99 today, and the record high is 99 today as well. 98 my high tomorrow. Today mostly dry. I mean, there could be a pop-up shower storm, but that's kind of a big if one actually does occur. I think there's a little bit better chance to see some scattered thunderstorms during the day tomorrow, and then a better chance for rain tomorrow night. We'll talk more about that coming up in a second. If a storm can pop up today, which once again is a big if, could have some gusty winds, some hail underneath it, but coverage extremely low today because I'm not expecting really much to happen this afternoon and evening. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, a round of showers and storms may try and move into northeastern North Texas, probably more so the Arklatex during the morning hours tomorrow, but not impossible. Maybe areas from like Sulphur Springs to Paris to see a shower or storm during the morning hours tomorrow. Then it's some pop-up activity tomorrow afternoon, but it'll be of the scattered variety, very hit or miss. Not everybody will see it. And then your better chances, I think, for storms for most of you will be tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Here's 7 o'clock. We're quiet, but watch how a round of showers and storms moves in during the late night hours as kind of this cold front gets a little closer to us. So there's 10 o'clock. There's midnight. 2, 3 in the morning, most of the activity moving to the south, and then by your Monday morning, daybreak Monday morning, most places will be dry. But not only for that pop-up stuff tomorrow afternoon and evening, but then also the round tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. There is a threat for some of those storms to be strong to severe. It's a 2 on a scale of 5, so it's not, widespread severe weather outbreak or anything like that, but we could have some storms with some strong winds and some hail at them. If you find yourself underneath one of those tomorrow afternoon and evening, there'll be that wind and hail threat, but remember that activity going to be pretty scattered, and then that round tomorrow night could have some strong winds and some hail in it as well. It's a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain for most of you, and then maybe a little higher totals across the northeast because they could see that round tomorrow morning and then also the round tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. Quickly want to check in on the tropics because we just had a tropical storm make landfall in North Carolina earlier this morning. You can clearly see it there, spinning its way through North Carolina at the moment. It's Tropical Storm Ophelia. It has winds of 65 miles an hour. It made landfall around 5:15 this morning near Emerald Isle, North Carolina, and it was wind speeds of 70 miles an hour then. So almost a hurricane, but not quite, and it's weakened a little bit and will continue to weaken as it moves inland, but it will bring around a heavy rain and gusty winds to portions of the East Coast over the next couple of days. For us here, we're going to be hot, we're going to be humid this weekend, but then that front does cool us off for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Highs back in the 80s, and those morning lows much more comfortable as well in the 60s most of this upcoming week. But as we end September and head into October, no signs of significant fall weather anytime soon. We just kind of hover around that 90-degree mark for the foreseeable future.